Hey tech fans! Can you believe it's almost been a year since the launch of the Galaxy S24 series? Time flies. And you know what that means, it's time to start getting excited about the next big thing, the Galaxy S25. As we approach its likely release in early 2025, the rumor mill is buzzing, and today, I've got all the latest updates for you. We might still be a few months away from the official reveal, but there are plenty of leaks and rumors to keep us entertained until then. From possible changes in processors to slimmer designs and smaller bezels, the Galaxy S25 lineup is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated releases yet. Let's start with the size rumors. According to insider leaks, the Galaxy S25 will come in 3 models, just like its predecessors, the standard Galaxy S25, the Galaxy S25 Plus, and the powerhouse Galaxy S25 Ultra. The sizes? Expect the Galaxy S25 to be around 146.9mm by 70.46mm with a slim 7.25mm thickness. The S25 Plus will reportedly measure 158.44mm by 75.7mm and 7.35mm thick, while the S25 Ultra will be slightly larger at 162.5mm by 79mm. Compared to the S24 series, these new models are expected to be slightly slimmer, so you can expect a more comfortable grip, which is always a plus. Color lovers rejoice. Rumors hint that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be available in some exciting new color options, according to renowned leaker Ice Universe. What color would you pick? Now, let's talk about what's inside these beauties. Most rumors point to Samsung using the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in all models, but there's also buzz that some regions might get a MediaTek-powered Galaxy S25. That's still up for debate, but one thing's for sure, Samsung is aiming for top-notch performance, especially with the Ultra model. If the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 makes its way into the Ultra, you can expect blazing fast performance and even better efficiency. Display-wise, we might see a slight increase in size on the S25 Ultra. It's rumored to feature a 6.86-inch screen, just a bit bigger than the S24 Ultra's 6.8 inches. That puts it right in competition with Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max. So when can we expect the big reveal? History suggests we'll likely see the Galaxy S25 series at a Samsung Unpacked event in January 2025, similar to the S24's early launch this year. But what about the price? The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price increase to $1,299, and with the upgrades we're hearing about, the S25 Ultra could be even more expensive. However, nothing is confirmed just yet. Let's dive into the cameras. The Galaxy S24 Ultra set the bar high with its 200MP main camera and impressive 12MP ultrawide and telephoto lenses. Early rumors suggest the S25 Ultra could push things even further, with a possible 50MP ultrawide lens upgrade. Plus, we could see some exciting changes in zoom capabilities with variable focal lengths, making it easier to capture stunning videos on the go. In terms of performance, faster UFS 4.1 storage speeds and up to 16GB of RAM in the Ultra model could make multitasking and handling AI features smoother than ever before. And don't worry about battery life, the S25 Ultra is expected to keep the 5000 mAh battery we love from the S24 Ultra, along with 45W fast charging. So, should you upgrade to the Galaxy S25? Well, the improvements over the S24 Ultra might seem modest for now, but Samsung often has a few surprises up its sleeve. With potential AI advancements and exciting new tech, it might just be worth the wait. That's all we know so far, but we'll keep you updated as more details emerge. If you're excited about the Galaxy S25, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.